What's better than a perfect sunny afternoon? I'll tell you what's better, enjoying it in a 1969 Camaro Rally Sport convertible with a 454 big block under the hood. We've got a really nice, dialed in, detailed, rebuilt example right here. Power steering, power brakes, deluxe interior, tilt, deluxe wheel, AM, FM, console, stripes. Got a lot going on. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all about it, study about 100 pictures top to bottom. That's where you find a price tag on every car along with a monthly finance payment. And if you get really excited about a car, we have a Buy It Now button. You hit that button and it'll lock it up until you have a chance to talk to a salesman. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next car is posted. And we've always got a great lineup of cars just waiting to get in here and be videoed. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. I got this from a really good seller. He's a car guy. He does restoration for a living, not necessarily in cars, but he restores old machinery, motorcycles, and pedal cars and things like that. Anyway, he's a pretty serious guy. He asked, when would this be up for sale? And I said, well, probably a few weeks. Every car goes through the shop. We inspect them, service them. And he says, this car doesn't need anything. And he said it real serious, just like that. And I think, yeah, they all need something. Well, guess what? Its turn came up. It went through the shop. The lead mechanic drove it, put it on the lift, checked it all out. It didn't need anything. The clock works. The radio works. This thing runs beautifully. So my point is, it's a really nice, dialed-in, rebuilt car. The front end looks brand new from underneath. All the ball joints, bushings, shocks, steering, sway bar bushings, all of it looks brand new. New shocks in the back, new dual exhaust. It sounds really nice. Brake system's been redone. The brake lines are replaced. The e-brake cables are all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has an extra capacity anodized oil pan. Extra oil keeps the engine cleaner and cooler. Has a high torque starter with a heat shield wrap around it. The Turbo 350 automatic was rebuilt, and it's actually VIN number matched to this car. Does have a posi gear in the 10-bolt rear end and back. So yeah, underneath is real nice. All the floors look to be really solid. The braces, everything looks really good. Everything was cleaned and painted, so it's just very tidy looking as well. Now let's check out the body. They did put the SS hood on it. The car's an RS, which is the hidden headlights primarily. But all this is straight, fits real nice. This line is nice. Doors line up nice. No bubbles, no bumps. This is all slick as can be, clean, really nice. Beautiful, straight, laser beam straight. I don't find a flaw yet in the body. It's got spoiler, trunk lines up spot on. I'm walking past it, the car's moving. When there's waves or imperfections, you see them in here. This thing is straight, I'm telling you. All the way to the bottom, smooth as can be. All around here. You wonder why I touch the cars. You don't always see everything, but you might feel a bump. This is just slick, smooth and straight. Body's outstanding. Repainted its original Glacier Blue color. The paint is also outstanding. It's all one color, there's no mismatch. It's all laid out nice. The metal flake is laid out evenly, and it has a wet-looking clear coat finish. It looks like glass. You might think all the videos I say it's aero straight looks like glass. That's because we deal in really nice cars. This really does have like a mirror-like finish. I can see the reflection of the ceiling just like a mirror. So it is the Rally Sport. The headlight doors open and close. Has a front spoiler. A couple chips down here, little ones. Bumper, the grille, all that's in beautiful shape. Has the hockey stick stripes put on properly. The emblems are nice. The ice cube trays are re-chromed. Has the correct antenna. Kind of don't like the way it goes out like that. Maybe they can reposition that a little bit. New windshield's crystal clear. The trim is not beat up, it's slightly worn. Door handles look real good. The window fuzzies are replaced. Has the exterior trim, that's the louvers here and the moldings on the wheel wells. White convertible top, there's pictures on our website. It's in excellent shape. The rubber's new. It is a power top. It's a rally sport, so the reverse lights are down here instead of up here. The blackout tail panel is part of the SS Big Block, so they did paint that black. It looks sharp. Got bumper guards. Rally wheels, a 14-inch, I believe. Some Goodyear tires. They look to be in good shape. So I think that wraps up the outside. It looks really good so far. Has a remote mirror. That's new. Let's open it up, show you the inside. All right, let's see how it looks in the trunk. Under the trunk lid, painted nicely. It's got a sticker. The latch is clean. Looks like it has a trunk light. It's not lighting up. Jam is real nice. Weather strip is replaced. Now inside the trunk is solid and clean with a nice spatter finish paint. Has the rubber mat that fits real nice. We've got one of the collapsible spares with the air bottle, the GM air bottle. The jack assembly's there. You know you're never going to use this. It's just more or less to make the car complete. Has the boot, which will snap on over the top. And these are GM floor mats. There's a set of aftermarket mats in the car. But everything in here is nice and clean and tidy. Door jambs are clean, weather strips are nice. It's a deluxe interior, so it has the molded deluxe door panels. I'm gonna say they're new. The window cranks look new. The joystick for the mirror looks new. New. Look at the vents are shiny, the knobs, the wood grain. Here's the power top switch. The instrument panel, real nice. Clock is ticking. Heater control panel's new. The AM/FM radio works. I believe the deluxe interior came with all this extra wood grain. All very nice. Owner's manual. The light in here works. The interior lights work. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet fits real nice. Has the console with the horseshoe or staple shifter. Original blue seat belts. Deluxe interior has the comfort weave upholstery. Cushions are redone. The upholstery's new. Headrests are restored. Back seats just as nice. We got seat belts. The armrest covers. All of it looks really good. It's a comfortable car to sit in. The seats feel nice. And then we got the deluxe rosewood steering wheel on a tilt column. Visors and mirror look new too. So this is a performance built. It's a fresh 454 motor. Up on top is a Summit aluminum intake with an Edelbrock carb, an Edelbrock fuel line. Chrome valve covers and air cleaner and water neck, that's all new. Has an HEI ignition system. The plug wires are run neatly. A set of new long tube headers. Firewall's nice and clean. The squirters are hooked up. There's the washer bottle. Got a disconnect on the battery. New alternator, new shroud. The fan, pulleys, they all look like new. All this is for the vacuum headlight door system. You have a bottle, glass bottle, that's washer fluid concentrate. Power steering pump is new. Power brakes with the cadmium booster is new. Got the hood insulation under the hood. This is show quality in here. It's really nice, very fresh. Looks like it was just done yesterday. Oh, come on now, listen to that sound. If that's not music to your ears, maybe you should go buy a Tesla. Very comfortable in this car. It just feels so nice. And a lot of confidence. A little bit, I'm in it. I feel like I could just get in this and go cross country. As dumb as this sounds, this car is so nice and everything works so good. I was a little disappointed the trunk light didn't work. Well, you just have to turn the headlights on and the trunk light came on, so it does work. Very nice car. I drove it a little bit. It just feels right too. I'll be honest with you, the tires, they're a little outdated. I'd put some nice BF Goodrich white letter tires on there. That's my opinion. Or even change it up with some nice torque thrusts. But anyway, outstanding car. Whoever gets this is going to be very happy with this car. It's going to treat you right. It's going to give you lots of fun. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman about your questions, financing, and how to get this in your driveway. That's all at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. We got some really cool cars coming up. Thanks for watching.